Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome back to my video. And now, this is video I want to share for you about my text, my assignment. This is the routing USVF. So I want to show you about my routing. So this the routing for the router Cisco and Mikrotik. So watching watch to my video and following from my tutorial. I want to use the router Cisco and I enter to configuration. I enter to configuration terminal to mode config and I change a hostname to router 1 R1 and I enter to interface G0/0 and I add IP address, and this is the IP address to router 1 and this is the subnet mask to router 1, and I write no shutdown, and after that I exit to enter to interface loopback 0 and I add IP address, I tip, and I add IP address to IP loopback. This is the IP and subnet mask, and I write router OSPF. I router OSPF 1 and I enter to router ID. This is the router ID, and I add a network from this router. This is the network from router 1 and area 0, and I add network again for IP loopback, and area same is 0, and I exit and I save configuration. Now I want to use a routing for the router 2, and I use a putty and use COM4 to the router, and I enter to putty. So the first I want to enter uh, to mode public mode, and I enter to public mode is red configure terminal, and I change my hostname is namely is router R2. This is the router 2, and I enter to interface G0/0, and I write no SH, is the not shutdown, and I add IP address. This is the IP address, and I enter to interface. Also, I type and I add IP address for the router 2. I type again. Sorry guys, I forgot guys. This is the IP for router 2, and I enter to interface loopback. Oh no, I read no, shutdown. This is the IP, and I enter to router OSPF1. Add router ID. This is the router ID, and this is the I add a network, and this is the network, and I add a network. This is the network for loopback, and I save. This is the configuration, and I write do red, and I write N for the routing. I guess finish for router 2. So yes, and I now I enter to router and first I add a network, and this is the network from Mikrotik, and I use a graphic 30, and I add IP bridge. Name is I change the name is loopback, and I apply, and I add IP loopback, and I use a graphic 32 and interface loopback, and I apply. Okay, and I enter to OSVF, and I change a router ID is this is a router ID area, and I add a area. I change backbone, namely is backbone. I instance is OSPF1, and I apply again. Okay, and I add a network from the router 3 is router Mikrotik, and I change area yang and I add a network from IP loopback, and I play in area backbone. So and finish to routing, and now I want to ping to router. So the first I ping to loopback router 2, and this is success. And I ping to loopback router 3 and ping in network router 1 and 2, and this is the success. And so okay, I want to show IP routes SPF, and finally guys, and now I want to use Mikrotik to ping from IP loopback router 1, and it's success. And I want to ping IP loopback from router 2, and success. And I ping to network router 1 and it's success. I ping to router 2 and it's success again. And finally guys, it's done to tutorial from me. This is tutorial is routing USPF from router Cisco and router Mikrotik. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.